first competitor to pin or make their opponent tap will win this match. And he missed that one. And he dodges that one. Booker T controlling the waist. Bam! Booker likes to talk trash, but even more than that, he likes to back it up. What an incredible suplex. Wow, look at those flames. Booker T acting on instinct right there. Remember, this is a no disqualification matchup. That move will knock the wind right out of you. Booker T goes behind. There's the suplex. Look at those flames. Somebody's about to get set on fire. This is insane. Booker T turning defense into offense. That chop turning his chest to deep purple. He was one step ahead on that one. Oh my, what a jawbreaker. These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match can change in a heartbeat. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead. Wow, what a sequence. Nicely avoided there. Oh, what a painful kick. And he gets out of the way. Booker T one step ahead. Not today, too fast. A quick knee lift. And DDT right on his face. Oh, this is dangerous. Watch out. Elbow. And that series ends in deadlock. Neither one of these superstars can afford to give their opponent the upper hand. Oh, those flames are just calling, just begging to be fed human flesh. So much on the line in this one. Like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in the WWE. Got out of the way of that drop. You can't put this in perspective enough. Somebody's about to get dragged into the fire. And the boot connects with the abdomen. Narrowly avoids the attack there. Feels like they're wrestling inside a blast furnace. Booker's in trouble. That was an impressive suplex. He's got him hooked. Nice backbreaker. Oh, what an elbow drop. You want to talk about a powerhouse? Bradshaw is 300 pounds of cruel intentions. Booker T controlling the head. This is a no disqualification match. He was able to reverse that. Not this. What great action we've had in this match. This is out of the devil's dressing room in that ring. Look at those eyes. Oh yeah, this could be big. Hooks the leg, and he gets the shoulder up. Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? And he hits the neck breaker. At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest? And I don't know. What a snap there. And right into a submission hold. Nice dodge there. Hey! And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold. What will it take to finish off Booker T? Well, you're right. That's the question. Elbow to the bridge of the nose. Booker T into the headlock. Just driven to the floor. The heat is rising. The fire's growing. This whole place is about to burst into flames. Well, he was able to reverse it. Get out of that. inspiring sight to see the ring surrounded by these flames. Oh, don't do this. That's Impact and then some.